to continue this small act of collaboration, it would hopefully start to reinstill that trust between the Ramos family and the school system. Next, I would present those changes to the school board. Hopefully, they would see that the approval of these changes would benefit all current and future students. Next, I would schedule a final meeting with the Ramos family, expressing your true concern and commitment to the education of David and all of the students at Rocket Junior High. I would finalize those changes with the school board and then continue to revisit and revise the disciplinary policy when necessary. With any ongoing collaboration and the changing times, these revisions would most likely continue to need to be reevaluated and take place. If this plan were to fall through, as an ethical person, Mr. Inman, I think he would be forced to not file the paperwork, although that is against the school district and the policy. I would explain as the vice principal his rationale for doing so, and hopefully, because this is an ethical choice, that even though he is reprimanded, he would keep his current position. Section 10 is the program standard and how they are integrated. Component 2.2 and 2.3 are highlighted throughout my presentation. Thank you very much.